This is my video bike check. Yeah. Alright, I got a Sputnik 29er edition Skyline frame, animal jump off stem, animal piff bars. I have these grips. They're Odyssey, and they are the Adam Bantons. In the front, I have a Primo front hub, the Primo LT hub, Primo 14G spokes, and I also have a stolen revolver rim. I have Odyssey trail mix pedals, Eastern crank. I have a Primo seat post, animal seat. I took all the padding off because I don't sit. Odyssey seat clamp. Odyssey rear cassette hub, 9-tooth, 14G spokes, same as front, same rim as the front too. I have the Shadow Conspiracy chain, profile racing sprocket. I have Animal GLH folding tires in the back, and then I have in the front I have Maxxis Holy Rollers. You guys probably want to hear how my cassette is, so I'll just do that quick. And yeah, so that's my video bike check.